You have felt it before. You know exactly what I am talking about. But I guarantee you have no idea what was actually happening inside your brain when it did. Nobody did until 2006. A single experiment changed everything scientists thought they knew about déjà vu. What they found broke it down into 3 separate mechanisms. Most people are only aware of one of them. The first mechanism is this. Your brain does not process a moment once. It runs multiple systems at the same time, storing, cross-referencing, and building context. Most of the time, these systems stay synchronized, but sometimes one runs faster than the other. It processes the moment, stores it, and labels it past. Then the slower system arrives and finds the moment already in memory, already familiar, already experienced, and concludes, I have been here before. Not because you have, because part of your brain got there first. That is déjà vu. Not a mystical experience or a past life. A timing error in a system running faster than your awareness can follow. The second thing researchers found was unexpected. Researchers at the University of Leeds induced déjà vu in a laboratory, artificially, in healthy people with no prior symptoms. They used hypnosis to create the sensation on demand. And what they found inside the brain during those moments changed everything. The feeling of familiarity and the ability to recognize something as real run on completely separate systems, separate tracks. And déjà vu happens when familiarity fires without recognition switching on. Your brain feels certain it has seen something before, but the part that would verify that certainty never activates. So the feeling of knowing wins, even when there is nothing to know. The third finding is the one most people never hear about. Déjà vu peaks between the ages of 15 and 25. Not in childhood, not in old age. In the years when your brain is most active and most overloaded. When you are processing the most new information in the shortest amount of time. The more your brain is pushed, the more timing errors it makes. Which means déjà vu is not a sign of something wrong. It is a sign of a brain working at its limit. And there is one more thing. Déjà vu almost never happens when you are relaxed. It happens in moments of mild stress, distraction, cognitive overload. Your brain is trying to process too much at once. And in that rush, one system outpaces the other. The moment gets filed before it ends, and you are left standing in a memory of something that is still happening. 1 in 3 people experience this so often they have stopped questioning it. And I bet you are one of them. You just never knew your brain was doing this when it happened. Now you do. But knowing what it is does not make it stop. The next time it happens, your brain will do it again. In a moment of stress or distraction, you did not even notice. And you will have no way of knowing which parts of what you just experienced were real, and which ones your brain created a fraction of a second too early. You have been here before, or have you? In the next video, we go somewhere darker, a place between sleep and waking, where your brain does not just misfile a memory, it builds something in the corner of the room, something that holds you down, something that feels completely real and is not there at all.